If your back feels stiff, your first instinct might be to stretch it harder, but sometimes that just doesn't help, or it backfires completely. You pull harder, your muscles tighten more, and your back feels like it's fighting you more. And that's because a stiff muscle is not always simply too short. Sometimes it's guarded. In that situation, massage can help. So I'm going to show you a free way you can massage your back safely and really effectively at home, and I'll explain how to avoid the massage trap that can keep your back stiff and aching. But before we jump into the massage, let's test how a couple movements feel. What happens when you curl your spine forward or curl it back into an arch? How does it feel when you bend to the side, to the left or to the right? And how does it feel when you twist to the left or right? Notice where you hit the end of your range of motion and how stiff your back feels in each of these positions. Now let's look at 3 spots that can be really helpful. All you need is something you've probably got in the hallway closet and a wall. I recommend starting with a tennis ball because it's soft and has some give, but if all you have is a lacrosse ball, baseball, or softball, that is fine too. You can soften it up by putting a little towel between you and the ball. Place the ball between the wall and the upper part of your butt near the back of your pelvis and gently lean into it. Move your body slightly until you find an area that feels tense or sensitive. And once you find that, stop moving. Breathe slowly and allow your weight to sink into the ball. The sensation here can be quite strong, but it should feel tolerable. You shouldn't be holding your breath or clenching your jaw or dying to escape. Spend about 30 to 60 seconds in that area, then move the ball slightly and repeat. You can also try bending your upper body and moving it to the side. That can actually help stretch out some of the dense tissue around your butt and lower back. And of course, make sure to do both sides. Next, move the ball higher into the muscles beside your lumbar spine. Do not place the ball directly on the bones of your spine, please. Be on the meat, not on the bone. Again, gently lean into the ball. You can make some small movements with your spine to find tense areas in the muscle tissue. Once you find one, pause and breathe calmly. You'll notice that the sensation gradually changes. It'll become less intense, or you might even feel the muscle fibers beginning to relax. Spend about 30 to 60 seconds on any tense spots and do 2 or 3 spots. And when you feel ready, make sure you do the other side. Finally, we can move the ball up to the mid and upper back. This can be especially useful if you spend a lot of time sitting, driving, or working at a computer. Remember to be on the beef, not on the bone. You want to feel muscles relaxing, not crushing into bones. Lean in gently and explore. Bend your spine to the side, forward, and back. You can also reach with your arms up, forward, or across your body to expose different areas of tension. Again, you're looking for useful pressure that allows your muscle to relax. Do not aim for maximum pain. Again, 30 to 60 seconds on any given spot, and when you feel like you're cooked, make sure that you do the other side. And now's a good time to see what you accomplished. Gently bend your spine forward and back, to the sides, and twist to the left and right, and notice how different everything feels. Let me know what you noticed. Drop me a comment down below. You can do some gentle massage work 2 to 4 times a week. If you ever feel like you're getting bruised or even more tender, please take a couple days off of the massage work. And please note, you don't have to do all the areas that I've shown you in this video. Focus on the ones that feel the most relevant to you. And just spend 3 to 5 minutes on those areas. You don't need to spend an hour, and you probably shouldn't. And for safety's sake, if you ever feel like something's about to break, or you feel numbness or tingling going down your leg, you're pushing too hard, or you're pushing in the wrong place, please back off. And if your back feels bony no matter where you put the ball, then you can probably skip the massage altogether. Your stiffness is very likely because you're missing muscle, and that missing muscle is making it hard for you to move in a lot of different positions, which actually brings us to an important idea, whether you have a lot of back muscle or none at all. And now let's talk about the massage trap. This is where a lot of people make a big mistake. They find something that gives temporary relief, so they keep doing it over and over and over again, thinking that it will eventually become permanent. But here's the thing. If you only relax the muscles and never teach them how to move and work, the tension often returns. Massage will open new ranges of motion, which you should then use and train so those ranges feel comfortable and strong. So if you have a stiff back, remember this 3-step formula. Relax it, move it, and strengthen it. If right now you're wondering what exercises you can do to restore strength and function to your back, be sure to watch this video and go to uprighthealth.com/DIY for more ways to build resilience for real life.